Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. I am going to start my first lecture series, that is Computer Organization and Assembly Language. This course is designed to understand the basics of organization of computers, understanding the machine architecture, learn efficient programming. We will less focus on theoretical concepts. We will clear our concepts regarding programming and will learn how to do efficient coding. So in this lecture we will learn basic organization of computers, what is memory, what are registers. So let's begin. Basic computer organization. Basic computer organization have the following component: the processor, memory, input output bus system, registers. Each component has a specific purpose. Let's discuss each component one by one. Processor. Processor, also known as Central Processing Unit or CPU, is the brain of computer that is responsible for executing instructions stored in computer's memory. It consists of arithmetic logic unit for mathematical calculations and control unit for managing execution of instruction. The second most important component of computer organization is memory, that is used to store data either temporarily or permanently. Computers use different types of memory to store data and instructions. This includes primary memory, that is considered temporary memory and is volatile. Volatile means the contents of the memory are lost when power is cut off or switched off, such as RAM, random access memory, and a secondary memory that is used for permanently storing data, such as hard drives or SSD. By knowing these components, one question arrives in our mind that processor and computer memory are related to each other, but how they interact with each other? The answer is bus system. That are communication pathways that allow data to be transferred between different components of the computer. The different buses are data bus, address bus, control bus. Each bus has its specific purpose. Data bus is responsible for transferring data to and from computer memory. The address bus carries address of a location from CPU to memory, while control bus carries control instructions from processor to other components. These buses are unidirectional, while the data bus is bidirectional. It can transfer data from any component to any other component. So last but not the least, let's discuss input, output and registers. Input, output are another important component that are used to handle the interaction between the computer and the external world. Input devices. Input devices allow users to provide data to the computer. These can be keyboards that allow us to enter data into the computer, mouse, while other output devices display or present the results, such as we have monitor, we have touch screen that display data. Registers. Registers are the small high-speed storage locations with the CPU that are used for immediate access of data. Let's move towards memory. Let's dive into memory in a little bit more detail that everyone must know in terms of memory architecture. Memory is a linear array to store data. It has vertical dimensions and horizontal dimensions. Vertical dimensions of memory give size of memory, while horizontal dimensions of memory give width of the memory. And we can also see the memory addresses, which are often uh, of 8 bits. Let's move towards registers that are very important in computer organization and assembly language. Registers are the fastest memory locations for immediate access of data and temporary storage. That is the most easiest definition and accurate definition of registers that everyone must know. There are different types of registers. Some main types are general purpose registers, index registers, flag registers, program counter, and instruction pointer. Each register has its own specific purpose, but we will discuss these registers in detail in our next lecture. So let's revise what we learned in this lecture: basic organization of computers, memory, brief introduction of registers. In the next lecture, we will discuss types of registers in detail. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.